वन पर्सन जिसके साथ ऑफ कोर्स यू परहैप्स सॉ कि यार इसमें बहुत दम है, बट देन इवेंचुअली एकदम वो होता है ना, वर्ड है फुद्दू। वो फुद्दू कौन है घर के अंदर का?
लव।
स्ट्रेट आंसर येस और नो। लवकेश एल्विश के दम पे ही उड़ रहा है, खुद का कुछ
Yes.
गेम नहीं है।
You didn't even finish with your question and I have answered it.
3 शब्द में आपको बोलूंगा, फेक, शेमलेस एंड इंट्रूटिव। Which word fits Shivani the
Three of
most?
them.
All three of them.
3 of them.
etc.
I don't think she was concerned at all. She didn't even ask me when I was on the ground. She started playing with her things and उसने एक बार भी पूछा भी नहीं है कि क्या है. I got evicted because of a housemate. They also called me opinionless. Bro, I was one of the person जिसके हर चीज में opinion रह चुकी है. She's good, but I think I'm more deserving than Manisha. Hi guys, this is Poulomi and you are watching me YouTube channel of Shubhajit.
बिग बॉस जो है, लाइक आई ऑलवेज बिलीव कि बिग बॉस घर के अंदर एक तरीके का बिग बॉस होता है और घर के बाहर ऑफ कोर्स दूसरे तरीके का बिग बॉस होता है, लेकिन दोनों तरीके से अगेंस्ट ऑल ऑड्स, जितने भी चैलेंजेस हो, जजमेंट्स हो, ये हो, माय फेलो बॉन्ग हैज एक्चुअली कम आउट एंड कॉन्कर्ड ऑल ऑफ दैट। पौलोमी खूब ভালো লাগছে আমার দেখা করে।
Finally কেউ আমার নাম properly নিল। It's Poulomi, it's not
It's
Poulomi.
Poulomi.
It's Poulomi.
I had a girl in my class, তার নামও ছিল পৌলমি, so I had a
দাস
huge
ছিল কি?
দাস না,
कुछ और
let me
था।
not get into that zone. আলাদা বিগ বস হয়ে যাবে ওখানে।
But no, finally someone have pronounced my name properly. It's Poulomi. It's not Poulomi.
It is Poulomi. It is
Yeah.
Poulomi. On that note, tell me one thing.
Yeah.
Different people, different experiences, etc. But a lot of things that we saw, शिवानी के साथ ये हुआ, वो हुआ। 3 शब्द में आपको बोलूंगा, फेक, shameless and intrusive. Which word fits Shivani the
3
most?
of them.
All 3 of them.
3 of them.
जब उसने you fell down etc. फेक कंसर्न जो भी बोलो, या फिर देन फेक इंजरी etc.
I don't think she was concerned at all. She didn't even ask me when I was on the ground. She started playing with her things and उसने एक बार भी पूछा भी नहीं है कि क्या है।
इनफैक्ट सॉरी बोलने के लिए जब बोला गया था, आई पर्सनली बिलीव दैट पीपल जनरली अगर गलत हो तो गलत हो, तुम सॉरी बोल सकते हो, कोई छोटा नहीं होता।
कोई छोटा बड़ा, एंड आई ट्रूली बिलीव इट। आई ऑलवेज से इट कि लाइक माफी मांगने से कभी कोई छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता है। और एक फिल्म में डायलॉग भी है कि जो माफ कर देता है तो वो सबसे बड़ा होता है।
एब्सोल्युटली। द डे यू गॉट एविक्टेड, उस दिन के बाद अगर मैं पूछूं दैट वन थिंग व्हिच यू रिग्रेट कि यार गई थी ये मकसद के साथ, but I could not do it because of the reasons.
So I do not have regret so far. I got evicted because of a housemate.
Of course.
So I don't have any regret. I do not have anything against my audience. I do not have anything against Big Boss. I do not have anything against the team or whatever. I got evicted because of a housemate and I believe that they were somewhere. हाँ वो बोलते हैं हाँ तुम baseless हो. Those two always called me baseless, but according to the Big Boss, those two were baseless.
Yeah.
Right? And they also called me opinionless. Bro, I was one of the person जिसके हर चीज में opinion रह चुकी है। मैं फालतू में opinions नहीं देती हूँ। I think it's absolutely not my circus, not my monkeys to put opinions all the time. But I was opinionative absolutely when it's required. So I think somewhere they were also a bit intimidated by my
presence and aura.
Yes. So I think उनको लगा कि अगर मोनिशा जी रहेंगी तो उनके लिए भी beneficial है that they don't have to play with someone who's not like she's good, but I think I'm more deserving than Manisha.
Straight answer yes or no. लवकेश एल्विश के दम पे ही उड़ रहा है, खुद का कुछ गेम नहीं है।
You didn't even finish with your question and I have answered it.
But I want to know कि एल्विश ने जो कुछ दिन पहले वीडियो डाला and it is like everybody is saying कि यार वो गलत चीज है because आप legally उसके अलग implications वगैरह रहते हैं।
The point is Sai can take legal action against it.
But do you think कि जिस तरीके से out of the way जाके is trying to support just because it is his friend and brother, वो गलत है? Is that a negative influence?
Yes. Anything. But it's like basically it's nepotism kind of a way.
Big boss wala nepotism.
Yeah, it's a Big Boss wala nepotism. I also have Karan. Karan is like my brother. I can also ask Karan कि भाई तू रोज मेरे लिए post डाल, video डाल.
Correct.
I can do that.
Hmm.
I will never ask him to do that.
Hmm.
I will never want him to influence people just to come forward. If I win, मैं अपने दम पे जीतना चाहूंगी.
You know, you're a strong girl and you know, personal bias थोड़ा रहता है बंगाली के लिए, we are firm believers in माँ काली etc. तो वो वाला force जो है वो रहता है. But दिल से सच बात बताना, any action of शिवानी कुछ भी हो सकता है, that one particular incident जिससे आपको शायद थोड़ा सा बुरा लगा था, genuinely.
थोड़ा सा बहुत सारी चीजों के लिए, और एक नहीं है, बहुत सारे
Which you felt really hurt.
That she have commented on my color, she have commented on my dressing, that she have decategorized me, and she have got violent and I never got my justice. So yeah, there are many things, not one. You can address too many.
One person जिसके साथ you know of course you perhaps saw कि यार इसमें बहुत दम है, but then eventually एकदम वो होता है ना, word है फुद्दू. वो फुद्दू कौन है घर के अंदर का?
Love.
That is because of that Elvish वाला thing again.
Yeah, I mean he started very well. He started very well, but सिर्फ हंसाना, content बनाना is not the
Love
the
and
only
way to go about
yeah.
things. Love and विशाल का friendship क्या है? Fake है game
I
के लिए?
think it's could be genuine. Like Vishal did ask for love. Like did ask for the first thing he first wish he made was for love. तो वो I think कहीं ना कहीं वो genuine है. आपको आपके पास अगर जिनी है
Right.
और आप कुछ भी मांग सकते हो, तो अगर आप किसी और के लिए मांगते हो तो वो genuine side होता है कि नहीं?
Absolutely. Last two questions before I quickly wrap up. वो ये रहेगा कि like you said and I've been hearing you as well कि अगर घर के अंदर तुम जाते हो तो बहुत सारे लोगों का हंसी जो है वो तुम गायब करने वाले हो, right? But सबसे पहले हिट लिस्ट में कौन है तुम्हारे?
बहुत है.
सबसे पहला नाम जो सुन के हिट लिस्ट सुन के जिसका नाम दिमाग में आता है.
Actually एक ही लाइन पे 3 लोग एक ही लाइन पे है.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Names?
Oh, you want the
Of
name?
course, of course.
Shivani, Sana, be specific, Makbul. Shivani, Makbul.
दो तो है, तीसरा वाला वेट कर रहे हैं.
I'm thinking like मैं किसको रखूं वहाँ पे, है तो बहुत
yeah,
सारे, पर मैं रखूं
yeah.
किसको? Love.
Fair enough. Last question before I let you go would be कि in this entire Big Boss wall experience, good things, bad things, etc. What is that one thing that you're taking away as a good experience, and what is that one thing you're taking away as a bad experience?
I don't have any bad experiences so far. Like whatever fight and words, that is, I don't care about it. I can deal with it. I'm an adult. The good experiences I had, I met Sai and Sana.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to be friends with them. And also Chandrika for that matter. Payal. I met some, I'm very specific about my friends. I don't have many. I'm very choosy about my friends. But इनमें से अगर किसी के साथ मैं दोस्ती continue करना चाहूँगी, that is definitely Shai.
Absolutely. On that note, I'll wish you good luck and
Thank
success. But then, you know, personal bias bolo ya fir ye bolo, I have this pratha of giving gifts to people who come on my
You
platform.
got gifts for
Yes,
me. I
and
love
I've got a gift
gifts.
for you as well. And तुमको कपड़े पसंद है?
I
Because if you
love
like this is a
gifts.
cool kurti जो तुमको पसंद hopefully आएगा. Just check.
I
I hope you like
love
the design and
gifts.
चलता है.
मुझे गिफ्ट्स बहुत पसंद है. मैं अपने
Okay.
बर्थडे के मैसेज पे भी लिखती हूँ, अगर आ रहे हो तो
Yeah.
गिफ्ट लेके आना. I'm not kidding.
तो मैं मुझे पता तो नहीं था लेकिन मैं लेके ऐसे ही आ गया.
Thank
But then we'll do something long format very soon.
And I'm going to wear this.
Absolutely. I would love to see you wearing this.
Finally, I've got something colorful, guys. आज मुझे डांट के मुझे येलो
Yeah,
कपड़े पहना
yeah,
के लेके आई ये लोग.
Yeah.
And I've got something colorful.
Lovely,
This is so
lovely.
nice. And this is the thing I'm going to wear on our
Please,
next interview.
please,
for
please
sure.
do. Chalo, thank you so much.
Thank you.
God bless. On that note, that was Follow Me and support करो. मेरी fellow Bengali है उसलिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, but आगे जाके भी lot of things to do. And God bless. Take care. Stay safe. Thank you. And I'll
so
see you
much.
with another very interesting episode very soon. Thank you.
Thank you.